Dickens de Giron, the Executive Director of Vanderbilt Center for Latin American Studies. Welcome to our ethnobotanical Latin American garden. This is the cassava plant. It's native to Brazil, and you may be familiar with it in the term of tapioca, which is the ground version of the root of this plant. So the roots are actually very important worldwide. It's not something that we're that familiar with in the United States, but people throughout the tropics, in Africa, in Asia, and in Latin America consume cassava as one of the main staples of their diet. And in fact, a third of the calories that they consume come from cassava. This species is a temperate species, and so it can grow here. The species that people eat that's native to Brazil must grow in a tropical climate. And so the roots are the edible portion of the plant. They're dug up and they must be cooked in order to be eaten.
The Latin American Ethnobotanical Garden was created by Vanderbilt Center for Latin American Studies in 2017. To learn more, visit us online at vanderbilt.edu/CLAS and follow along with the garden on Instagram.